I'm like so hungry.
Yeah, so am I.
I want the apple. I want the apple.
I want the apple. I want the apple.
It's the last apple. It's
My apple. My apple. My apple.
Let's show the audience the apple.
Now give it.
No, my apple.
My apple.
It's my apple. My apple.
My apple. My apple.
My apple.
My apple.
My apple.
My apple.
Apple. Too bad we couldn't fight over a banana. I'm not talking to you. You lost the apple. You lost the apple.
Found it!
You found the apple?
It's mine now.
It's my apple. It's my apple.
My apple.
My apple.
My apple.
My apple.
It's not gonna be yours once I take a bite out of it.
You wouldn't bite it. No, you wouldn't.
Give me the apple. It's my apple.
apple.
My apple.
Mine.
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 Mine. Deal with it.
I have sunglasses.
I have an apple though.
I want the apple.
No. You don't. You have your sunglasses.
Sunglasses aren't edible.
My apple.
My apple.
My apple.
My apple. My apple. My
apple.
apple. My apple.
Fetch, doggy.
You threw the apple. It's all bruised now. You can have the apple. You can have it.
You can have it.
No, you can
You have it.
You have it.
You have it.
You have
wanted it in the first place.
No, you wanted
You
it.
wanted it.
No.
Deal with it and eat it.
You deal with it.
No, you wanted the apple, so you get it.
You wanted the apple,
You
so
wanted-
you wanted it. You
wanted
you eat it.
No,
You
eat it. Eat it.
It's not my apple. It's yours. See, I have sunglasses. I don't want an apple. You can have it. I don't want the apple. It's your apple.
It's your apple.
It's your apple.
Deal with it.
It's your apple.
Deal with it.
It's your apple.
It's your apple. You wanted it.
You wanted it. It's your apple.
Your apple.
Your apple.
Deal with it.
You eat it.
You eat it, you deal with it. That's how it goes.
You wanted it.
That's how it goes.
It's yours.
It's yours.
It was yours in the first place.
Deal with it.
It's your apple. It's your apple.
Your apple. Stop. Stop.
It's her apple.
No, it's her apple.
It's her apple.
You, she wanted it in the first place.
It's her apple. Her apple.
Her apple.
You can vote below and
And
say
whose
whose apple it is. So don't forget to say it's her apple.